Hey, what's up guys? So I'm over here at Walker Chevy and we are putting on the tires right now. Now the reason is these are basically race compound tires. These are the Goodyear, and you can see here there's very little. These have only 400 miles on them, so they're fairly new, and there's very little tread, so you really can't drive them in the rain. These are Michelin's, and these are the Pilot Sport 4 S's. Okay, so these allow you right here to drive in the rain. See how they have these nice rain grooves in them? But you also still get the dry performance, okay? So definitely something to look into. We're gonna go ahead and be changing out. These are the 325 rears and then the 305 fronts. And this should allow me to be able to drive in a little bit of a colder climate like Tennessee's right now, and then also allow me to drive in the rain. So we will be seeing how this works out. And hopefully we'll get to enjoy her with a few more miles. I've only put like 400 miles on it since I've had it.